Okay, we open up the gate. I'm like, what's back here? You have a sort of not happy azalea, but it's still alive, and I'm a bargain hunter, so I can't let you like totally let this go. And here, there's like new growth here. You see this? Mm-hmm. So what I would do here is I would put it back in the ground, and then I would do some severe pruning. So you leave this kind of thing, and then I would cut right above this new growth here. You've got new growth here, so cute. You're gonna keep this guy, all right? You've got some new growth in other spots, like here, okay? So.
Excellent.